Alright guys, so I am working on the 2011 Ford Taurus SE. Unfortunately, I put some gas in my vehicle that had water in the fuel, and now it won't start. So the first thing I'm having to do is drain all of that gas back out. Instead of having to drop the tank and do all that bull crap, the easiest thing that I've found to do is to just it's kind of funny, so don't judge me. If you come over here and unhook your fuel line right here, it has two little pieces in the back that you squeeze together, and then this front clip comes out and it releases. Get you a little bucket and put that right there. Come to the inside of the car. Now everything's still hooked up, battery, everything, all that good stuff. So what you're gonna do, it's a little bit time consuming, but you're just gonna take and turn your key from the off position, wherever the hell the keys are, there, to the on, and then back off. Turn it on, then back off. Turn it on, and back off. You're gonna have to do this for, I've probably been doing this for about 2 hours now. I had 3/4 of a tank, so if that tells you anything, it only spurts out just a little bit at a time, but it's giving it enough pressure to be able to push it out. So, and I don't have to drop anything and get into all that mess either. So I just wanted to share that with y'all, and I hope that this may help some of y'all if y'all ever have this problem. I hope that you don't, because it's hell. But yeah, so then you just take a little bucket, and you see this nasty stuff that come out of my gas tank? Yeah, that's disgusting. Yep. So what I'm using it for is to fuel my fire. But yep, so that's all you got to do. I hope that helps.